Hello everyone, it's Mary Ann. Welcome to my channel, More Than RN. Today, I'm going to show you the Mabuhay Lounge in Terminal 2 in the Philippines. It is an inclusive space designed for the comfort and convenience of specific travelers. Access is granted to those holding business class tickets, as well as members of the Miler and Premier Elite programs. This lounge provides a serene environment with various amenities, ensure a relaxing experience before the flight. And please watch the rest of the video.